Electracraft is pleased to offer this 2011 Electracraft 16CS electric boat. This complete boat package includes new plush carpet with waterproof backing, new anti-fouling paint, new beige interior cushions, new drive unit, new mooring lines, fenders, and power cord, teak wood package, table, midship service island and trim, 1,000-watt inverter, DC-AC converter, Fusion AM/FM sound system, Surrey Canopy with enclosed windows, flag blue hull and deck, 2016 48-volt battery pack with a 30-day warranty, available now for $24,400. Whether you're out alone or with that someone special or just good friends and family, your Electracraft electric boat will always deliver performance and superior styling.